In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Creating a partition can help you organize your data better, enhance system performance, and even set up multi-boot systems. Let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to begin by right-clicking on the Start button. This will open a context menu with a range of administrative tools and quick access settings. From this menu, head over and select Disk Management. This tool is crucial as it gives you a detailed view of all your storage drives and partitions. Once Disk Management opens, you'll see a list of your volumes. Find the volume you want to modify. It's usually labeled with a drive letter, like C or D. Once you've pinpointed the volume, right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Shrink Volume and click on it. This feature allows us to reduce the size of the chosen partition to make space for a new one. Next, you'll be asked to enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. This is where you decide how big you want your new partition to be. Let's say you want around 50 GB for your new partition. You'll need to convert gigabytes to megabytes, which is 50,000 MB, and then enter that amount in the dialog box. Click Shrink once you've determined the size. This action will create unallocated space that we can use to form our new partition. With the new unallocated space highlighted, right-click on it. You'll notice an option called New Simple Volume. Clicking this will launch the New Simple Volume wizard. This wizard will guide you through the process of creating the new partition. It will ask you for a few details, like specifying the size, assigning a drive letter, and formatting the volume with a file system like NTFS. Follow the steps in the wizard carefully. For most users, accepting the default settings for file system and allocation unit size will work just fine. Once you've reviewed everything, click Finish to apply your changes. This will start the process of setting up your new partition. Congratulations! You should now have a new partition ready to use. You can head over to your File Explorer and see the newly created drive with its assigned letter. It's ready for storing files or installing a new operating system if you wish. Thanks for following along. With just a few simple steps, you've reorganized your storage space, which can help with efficiency and performance on your Windows PC. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask for help in the comments below.